Look at this snail gliding effortlessly over the sharp edge of a knife or a razor blade without a single scratch. Sounds impossible, right? But nature is full of such incredible animals, each with its own superpower. From snails with indestructible slime to spiders that breathe underwater and lizards that run on water, the animal kingdom is a treasure trove of wonders. Today, we'll explore some of the rarest and most fascinating animals with abilities that seem straight out of a superhero movie. Let's go! The snail that glides over razor blades. Snails are often seen as slow, fragile creatures, but one species has a superpower that defies logic. The common garden snail can glide over the sharp edge of a knife or a razor blade without harming itself. How does it do this? The secret lies in its slime. Snail slime is a miraculous substance that acts as both a lubricant and a protective layer. When the snail moves, it secretes this slime, which creates a cushion between its soft body and any sharp surface. The slime is so effective that it can even repair minor damage to the snail's body. This ability isn't just for show, it's a survival mechanism. In the wild, snails encounter all kinds of rough and sharp surfaces, from rocks to thorns. Their slime allows them to navigate these obstacles safely, making them one of nature's most resilient creatures. Interestingly, snails can also adjust the thickness of their slime depending on the surface they're moving across. On rough terrain, they produce thicker slime for better protection, while on smoother surfaces, they use a thinner layer to conserve energy. This adaptability makes them true masters of survival, proving that even the smallest creatures can have extraordinary abilities. The basilisk lizard, the Jesus Christ lizard. While snails rely on their mucus to navigate sharp surfaces unharmed, some lizards have developed an entirely different but equally impressive survival technique, running on water. Have you ever seen a lizard run on water? The basilisk lizard, also known as the Jesus Christ lizard, can do just that. When threatened, it sprints across the water's surface at speeds of up to 12 kilometers per hour. How does it pull off this miracle? The basilisk has large, flat feet that create air pockets as it slaps the water. These pockets keep it from sinking, allowing it to run up to 500 meters before it needs to swim. On land, the basilisk is slower but still impressive. It can hold its breath for up to 30 minutes, making it a true survival expert. Found primarily in Central and South America, these lizards thrive in tropical rainforests near rivers and streams. Their unique adaptations not only help them evade predators but also make them a fascinating subject of scientific research, particularly in biomechanics and fluid dynamics. Pretty cool, right? But there are even more amazing animal superpowers to check out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun facts. The diving bell spider, nature's underwater wizard. While the basilisk relies on air pockets created by its feet to stay afloat, the diving bell spider takes a different approach, using its body and web to create an underwater air supply. The diving bell spider, found in ponds and slow-moving streams across Europe and Asia, this remarkable arachnid hunts, rests, mates, and lays eggs beneath the surface. It only surfaces occasionally to replenish its oxygen supply. The spider's secret lies in its unique adaptations. The hairs on its abdomen trap air, forming a bubble that acts like a natural scuba tank. Additionally, it constructs an underwater web structure, known as a diving bell, which stores air and functions like an oxygen reservoir. This allows the spider to stay submerged for up to 24 hours, depending on water temperature and oxygen levels. Recent research has revealed that the diving bell also helps extract dissolved oxygen from the water, making it even more efficient. Think of it as the Harry Potter of spiders. Much like Cedric Diggory's bubblehead charm in the Triwizard Tournament, this spider creates its own air supply without any magic. Its ingenious survival strategies continue to fascinate scientists studying aquatic adaptations. The lyrebird, nature's master mimic. Just as the diving bell spider's remarkable adaptations allow it to thrive in an underwater world, the lyrebird's extraordinary abilities enable it to dominate its environment through sound. Imagine walking through a park and suddenly hearing blaster sounds from Star Wars. No, you're not going crazy, it's probably a lyrebird. These birds are incredible mimics, copying everything from other birds to chainsaws, car alarms, and even human voices. Lyrebirds don't just imitate sounds for fun, they use them to communicate and defend their territory. There's even a story of a lyrebird that learned a flute melody from its owner and taught it to other wild lyrebirds. Found in Australia, these birds are like the ultimate sound machines. If you ever hear a baby crying or a fire siren in the middle of the forest, don't panic. it's probably just a lyrebird showing off its skills. Velvet worms, sticky slime shooters. While the lyrebird uses sound to navigate its world, the velvet worm relies on a physical adaptation to dominate its environment. Velvet worms, with their soft, fuzzy appearance, are deceptively deadly hunters. These ancient creatures, which are more closely related to arthropods than true worms, have existed for over 500 million years, making them living fossils. They hunt by shooting sticky slime from glands near their mouths, which can travel up to a meter and hardens instantly upon contact, trapping their prey. Once immobilized, the velvet worm injects digestive saliva into the victim, liquefying its insides for easy consumption. This efficient hunting method makes them formidable predators in their forest habitats, primarily found in tropical and subtropical regions. Recent studies have revealed that the slime's unique properties, including its rapid hardening and biodegradability, have inspired research in bioadhesives and materials science. Velvet worms are also social creatures, often living in groups and displaying complex behaviors. Their combination of ancient lineage and innovative survival strategies continues to fascinate scientists, offering insights into the evolution of predation and adaptation. Flying spiders, the arachnophobe's nightmare. If you're scared of spiders, this might give you chills. Some spiders can actually fly, or at least float through the air. Using their silk, they catch the wind and rise several kilometers into the sky. Some even cross oceans this way. How does it work? For small, lightweight spiders, the air feels like a thick liquid. Their silk acts like a parachute, neutralizing gravity. Before taking off, they test the wind by lifting a leg, waiting for the perfect breeze of about 11 kilometers per hour. Scientists believe ballooning helps young spiders disperse to new habitats, reducing competition and increasing genetic diversity. Recent studies have even shown that spiders can sense electric fields in the atmosphere, which may aid their takeoff and navigation. While this behavior is a fascinating survival strategy, it's also a reminder of nature's ability to turn the ordinary, like a spider's silk, into something extraordinary. Just imagine looking up and seeing a sky full of tiny, airborne arachnids. The leaf insect, nature's perfect ninja. If you've ever struggled to find something right in front of you, you'll appreciate the leaf insect, a true master of disguise. Found in the tropical forests of Malaysia and Southeast Asia, this remarkable creature mimics a leaf so perfectly that it even replicates details like veins, bite marks, and slightly rotted edges. Growing up to 10 centimeters long, the leaf insect remains nearly invisible despite its size. During the day, it stays motionless, blending seamlessly into foliage, while at night, it becomes active, feeding on plants. When threatened, it produces a buzzing sound to startle predators, though its camouflage is so effective that it rarely needs to. Recent research has revealed that leaf insects can even adjust their coloration to match seasonal changes in foliage, further enhancing their survival. This incredible adaptation not only highlights the ingenuity of evolution, but also underscores the delicate balance of ecosystems where such creatures thrive. Truly, the leaf insect is a testament to nature's artistry and the power of staying hidden in plain sight. The jarsonar, the bird with 8 legs. While the leaf insect relies on blending into its surroundings to survive, the jarsonar uses its unique physical traits and nurturing behavior to protect its young in the dynamic and often perilous wetland environments. At first glance, the jarsonar might appear to have an unusual number of legs, but those extra limbs are actually its chicks tucked safely under its wings. Known as lilitrotters, jarsonars are remarkable for their ability to walk on floating vegetation, thanks to their long toes and claws that distribute their weight evenly, preventing them from sinking. Found in tropical and subtropical wetlands across Africa, Asia, and the Americas, these birds are highly protective parents. When danger approaches, the adult jarsonar swiftly gathers its chicks under its wings and flees to safety. If a chick falls into the water, the parent will retrieve it, dry it off, and warm it up, a touching example of parental care in the animal kingdom. Recent studies have shown that male jarsonars often take on the primary parenting role, incubating eggs and caring for chicks while females defend territory. This unique family dynamic, combined with their extraordinary adaptations, makes jarsonars a fascinating example of nature's ingenuity and nurturing instincts. Cuttlefish, the hypnotic disco kings. Cuttlefish may not appear menacing, but they are among the ocean's most skilled predators. Using specialized skin cells called chromatophores, they create mesmerizing, shifting patterns that can hypnotize prey like crabs and shrimp. These displays, often mistaken for a harmless light show, are actually a clever hunting tactic to lure victims closer. Once within range, the cuttlefish strikes with lightning speed, extending two hidden feeding tentacles to snatch its meal. Recent studies have revealed that cuttlefish can also use their color-changing abilities to communicate with each other, displaying complex patterns to convey messages or establish dominance. Found in shallow tropical and temperate waters worldwide, cuttlefish are not only masters of disguise but also possess one of the largest brain-to-body size ratios among invertebrates, making them highly intelligent hunters. Their ability to blend into their surroundings, combined with their strategic use of light and color, makes them both fascinating and formidable. Truly, the cuttlefish is a predator that turns the ocean floor into its own captivating and deadly disco. Mud skippers, fish that walk on land. While the cuttlefish thrives in the ocean's depths with its mesmerizing displays, the mud skipper defies expectations by bridging the gap between water and land. Found in mangrove forests and muddy estuaries, mud skippers use their muscular fins to crawl, jump, and even climb trees using their strong, muscular front fins. When the tide recedes, these fishes venture onto land to hunt for insects, crabs, and other small prey, while also defending their territories. They move by hopping and can engage in dramatic skirmishes, resembling tiny gladiators battling for dominance. Remarkably, mud skippers can breathe through their skin and the lining of their mouths, allowing them to stay out of water for extended periods. Once the tide returns, they seamlessly transition back to swimming like typical fish. Recent studies have highlighted their ability to tolerate extreme conditions, such as low oxygen levels and high temperatures, making them resilient to changing environments. Their dual life strategy showcases how some species have evolved to thrive in both aquatic and terrestrial habitats, offering valuable insights into adaptation and survival. These extraordinary abilities aren't just fascinating, they're vital tools for survival in a world where every day brings new challenges. Whether it's a snail gliding over razor blades or a lizard sprinting across water, nature's superpowers remind us of the endless creativity of evolution. So, the next time you're out in nature, take a moment to observe closely. You might witness a lyrebird mimicking your voice or a basilisk lizard dashing across a pond. The wonders of the natural world are all around us, waiting to be discovered. Which of these wildlife superpower amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible episodes. See you later.